With the upcoming Nike LeBron 23 Hurt Feelings Right history, LeBron James will continue to draw on pivotal moments from his career, this time revisiting the memorable 2016 NBA Finals. The Cleveland Cavaliers overcame a 3-1 deficit against a record-breaking Golden State Warriors squad during their championship run, which is now regarded as one of basketball's most famous narratives. The intensity that drove that comeback is closely related to the idea behind this LeBron 23. The series changed course as a result of Klay Thompson's remarks and LeBron James and Draymond Green's on-court altercation. The shoe transforms what was previously presented as hurt feelings into a message of inspiration and a source of pride. The Warriors' 2016 sleeved uniforms are subtly referenced in the pair's design, which transforms the energy into a triumphant narrative. Throughout, there are gold elements that represent Cleveland's championship victory, and unique heel details further emphasize the heritage concept.